everyone, I'm teacher Shayma Ali, and now I'm gonna to tell you how to get the difference between two algebraic fractions. So let's start. Hey, but first don't forget like, share and subscribe. Okay, you can see that here we have number 1, 2 over y minus 3 over 4y. Here we have two fractions and we wanted to get the difference between these two fractions. So how we can do that? We need to get something called lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. It's LCM. Lowest common multiple. What is this? Lowest common multiple is an expression contains the numbers and the symbols in the denominator. Okay, here we have in the denominator y and we have here 4y. We need an expression that contains these two denominators. Okay, so what is that expression? The expression must have numbers and also must have symbols, because here we have 4 as a number and also y as a symbol. So the expression will be 4y, because 4 here we have just one 4 and also we have y as a symbol, so it will be 4y. Okay, so the common multiple will be 4y for the denominator here. Okay, so we can rewrite the two fractions. It is equal to the first fraction, we need to put 4y for the denominator here minus also 4y. To get the difference between these two fractions, we must have the same denominator, the same denominators for the both fractions. Okay, so here we have 4y as the common denominator here. So let's get the numerator up. 4y, y becomes 4y. What's happened to it? Of course we multiply it by 4, so we need to multiply also up by 4. 4 times 2 give me 8 minus, here we have 4y in the denominator, so we just multiply it by 1. So 3 times 1 give me 3, so 3 stay the same. Okay, here we have the same denominator, so we can subtract these two fractions by putting 4y down in the denominator and 8 minus 3 up in the numerator up, so it will give me 5 over 4y. So this is the last simplest form for that two fractions. Let's see number 2. What we have in number 2? We have 3 over 8b minus 1 over 4b. Okay, so here we have different denominators, so we need to get the same denominator to put this denominator in the both fractions. So we need to get the lowest common multiple, as we said before, for both these denominators. What is the lowest common multiple here? We have two numbers, we have 8 and we have also 4. Okay, and we have a common symbol here, it's b. We need an expression contains numbers, common multiple between these two numbers and also common symbol. Okay, so we agreed that we have b as a common symbol here. So what is the number? What is the common multiple between these two numbers? Let's start with 8. 8, the common multiples or the multiples for 8 is 1 times 8 give me 8 and also 2 times 8 give me 16. Okay, that's it, that's enough. Let's see 4. What is the multiples of 4? If we take 4 and get the multiples of 4, 1 times 4 give me 4 and also 2 times 4 give me 8. Here we have a common multiple between 8 and 4 and it is of course 8. Okay, so we are gonna to take 8 as a common multiple between these two numbers. Okay, so we are gonna to rewrite the fractions, okay, by putting 8b for the denominator down. Okay, 8b for the both fractions. Okay, 8b, so 3 still the same because we we didn't change the denominator here, so 3 up in the numerator still the same. Minus 8b, 4b becomes 8b. What's happened here? We multiplied it by 2, because 4 times 2 give me 8, so we are gonna to multiply also up by 2. 1 times 2 give me 2. Here we have the same denominator, so we are gonna to write it 8b and subtract the numerators up. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Okay, so it gives me 2 over 8b. Here we have 2 over 8b. So this is the difference between these two fractions. But we can also simplify this. Yes, we can simplify the numbers by dividing by 2 up and down. Okay, so it will give me what? It will give me 2 divided by 2 give me 1, and 8 divided by 2 give me 4b. So the last simplest form for these two fractions is 1 over 4b. Thank you so much. See you soon, but don't forget like, share and subscribe.